What do you get when you drive your car to the animal kingdom? You get birds that land on top of them. Don't wash your car before you bring it here. Bad news. Good morning! We are at Disney's Animal Kingdom today. Yay, I know I already showed you that we were here in the parking lot, but good morning!
Maasai, like this one here on the left. This is a Maasai. Now, reticulated giraffes, they get their name from the word reticulata. That means nets, because it looks like someone threw a net up over the top of them. Maasai giraffes, though, their spots are a little different. They have those rough, jagged edges. Looks like we got even a little baby Maasai giraffe right here, too. Even as newborns, though, giraffes stand about 6 feet tall. Don't do it. It's gonna do it. Good giraffe. But as fully grown, giraffes stand about 18 to 20 feet tall. So they are the tallest mammal in the world. Can't stop from that close to the road. Just gotta go by. Alright, we do have some sable antelope up on the hill. There's some brown antelope back there. Let's see if we get around here. Childhoods on elephants are very long. They don't leave their mothers till they're about 13 to 15 years old. Little one right there. Look, sometimes we get a radio station for Harambe. Greater flamingo has the lightest shade of pink coloring from any of the other flamingo species. Pink color comes from the foods that they eat, like tiny brine shrimp. Those contain keratin, and that turns those feathers pink. One of Africa's largest burrowing mammals, warthogs dig those burrows out. They use their tusks, their snouts, and their feet to do it. He's like, what are you laughing at me for? When they back up into the burrows, they leave their tusks out exposed in case any predators come along. Not only can they run at 35 miles per hour, but their tusks are razor sharp. I like to live in groups. Those groups are called a crash. So, here's a crash of white rhinos. We'll give these a little stop here. But white rhinos, they can weigh up to 5,000 pounds. They get their name from the Afrikaans word "wijd." It means wide, reference to those wide, broad mouths over here. We got a couple more back here, but they're hiding behind trees. So let's go slow, fast, and pulley there. You know, if you cut off a rhino's horn, it grows back. It's made from the same protein as our hair and fingernail, called keratin. White rhino's horns grow about 6 inches every year.
Oh no, what's under now?
Weird, his eyes are above the water now.
He's going back under, he's going back under.
And now he's back under.
And he's back to
Yep, they're out there.
See right there?
On the ground, honey.
Expedition Everest! Yay!
One more down. Can't get this to go down anymore.
She's cute.
I just want to be as scared as possible.
It's over there at the booth. There we go.
remember the family that was holding up their child? I'm not with water. I didn't know what. No, I remember respect.
Yes.
Okay, turn the boy back then. All right. Okay. All right, thank you. Let me try to see that work.
It was tight. You know why they're not? So lazy time. So and then Primeval World. So after we do that.
This him, Mom Paul.
Matthew, come away, son. That's what this is there for, dear. Okay.
He's right up close.
Is up close. Look at the size of the
You know what I mean?
Yes, Kilimanjaro Safari once again, because you need to do it multiple times to see everything.
Over here on the left, I'll go forward like this so everybody can see. Black rhinos reach about 3,000 pounds and speeds of 35 miles per hour. These animals are incredibly resilient and virtually indestructible. Those are great white feathers. Well, they actually don't develop their pink feathers until mating season. Yeah, like I said, I do like to drive a fun safari, so here's the first pop quiz of many. Can anybody tell me what a group of hippos is called? And hint, it's not hippos. It's called a bloat. A bloat of hippos. Everybody always says you can't really tell if zebras are black with white stripes or white with black stripes. Well, here's the answer to that mystery. They are black with white stripes. You can tell by their black noses. No two zebras have the same stripe pattern, similar to humans and their fingerprints. Each one is unique. Now ostrich here on the right.
And now, on behalf of Disney's Animal Kingdom, we are proud to present Finding Nemo, the musical. Marlin, shh! You're going to wake the kids. We still have to name them. I like Nemo.
Nemo? Probably one I'd like most of them to be Marlin Jr.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab Iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Aluramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does.
Now that's an ice cream sandwich. Yeah.
Make sure he knows we're helping with them. Did you figure it out? Okay.
Festival of the Lion King. Greetings, everyone. Hooray, welcome. We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you one and all to the Festival of the Lion King. Welcome to our world. In this land, and we welcome you, welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, direct from a record-breaking 2 million years at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder, let's hear it for the Tumble Monkey!
Poor T-Rex. Poor T-Rex. High voltage. You're warned. Mickey! Chef Mickey's! Beautiful wife. Red monorail. Piranhas. Yum. Ohana's!
So excited.
Yummy food.
It's gonna be so tasty.
So this is what they bring for the salad now.
Really interesting. I don't know if I like
It's different. Not bad, but it's different. And there's pot stickers, which are yummy. Ohana bread pudding.
a la mode.
A la mode, she said. Bread a la mode.
This is Bananas Foster.
Bananas Foster cream to put on top of it.
Yeah.
It's very, very yummy. And then I'm still working on my shrimp. Almost done.
Take your time, guys.
Let me do it.
32 shrimp. Yeah. Now to eat some of this. Yum.
You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen, and it all starts with a wish.
Is to the tree. I wish I could be part of that world. I wish we'd never.
So here it is, midnight or a little after. We have to get up about 5:30 tomorrow, or this morning, whatever you want to call it. Because tomorrow is Universal in Diagon Alley. So yeah, stay tuned.